That's number 7, anak.
And we are gonna be unboxing it. Let's see the details. So there is like a Nike thing here. It's quite light, so guys, I need to put it closer. And we have a K, a weird K and a D. What is this? What this means? I guess it means Kevin.
No, that's his signature.
I just made it sideways. And at the left side, there's none. So let's unbox it.
Sound effects pa.
Out this. Oh my. Okay. Let's take out the shoes. So this is what it looks like. There you go. And here you go. Yeah. Whoa, that's hard. This is what it looks like. It's actually nice. Love. Ooh, that's kind of cool. This, look at this. Those like this is the Nike logo, right? But it goes here and then it continues and stops.
Okay.
So it has a like this with a tiny basketball, and it has sorry guys, it has a lot of flowers and orange, what's this called again?
Laces.
Laces and tissue inside. That's I want to see those. I'm gonna take it out. Oh gosh. It says Kevin Durant, number 7, something Zoom. Ah. So it has, what's this? The cover. Yeah. It has this thing which is, it's like thick. There's like rubber here. It says Kevin Durant, number 7, and it like has one see-through part and one not see-through part. That's quite interesting. It has a lot of flowers on it. Sorry guys. And yeah, it looks like number 7. I guess you guys not gonna see it that much, so just zoom it in. Okay. So it has like this. I know what this is. It's put in like tube, I think. And there goes his signature. It has circles on the bottom. And and it has like these ovals here, and also over here, over here, over here, over here, and over here. Those are all ovals, and it has one giant oval which kind of looks like a run track. And it says something L zoom, I think. It says L zoom at the bottom here. It has tape KD in the back. Wow. This one is quite. This one. This part here of the shoe is quite smooth. It's soft, very soft. And let's feel what you think of it. The under is very hard. This part is very smooth. This part is very smooth, and this one is rubber. And this one, oh wow, a lot.
What else can you see in the upper part of the shoe? No, in the side. On the side.
A
The other
happy, a smile.
side. Other side. What can you see?
Love.
Show them what you see.
I already showed
Okay.
them.
Sorry.
The under is quite smooth. Let's just take this out because my dad's here. So it's not me because I'm front shoe, but it's not gonna fit me. Let's do it. Not too small.
Oh, it's the left shoe. Do it on your left, anak.
Let's do this. Oh
Maybe in
yeah.
a couple of years.
You see, I need a lot of years to come by. Swing. Okay. Yeah, those like threading in the back. Ooh, this part is quite rubber and those smiley. Hello. Hello. This thing is very. A lot of parts of this is hard. Do you know why the back is like that? Does he have those like this in the injuries? Is that the guy?
Yeah.
Yeah.
He recently
That's-
torn his Achilles
So that's why it's hard, and this part
to
is,
for support.
and this is the. That's why it's smooth. Maybe that's for him actually. This
Yeah, maybe.
shoe. So yeah, that's all. And it has nice art at the back. Oh. And
Would you
it-
wear those kinds of shoe?
No, I cannot wear it.
No, I mean if it has your size, would you wear them?
Oh yeah, for sure. It's a nice shoe, I guess. So, bye bye guys. Is it all done?
Bye bye guys.
Bye. I'm just gonna
Thank
take
you.
all of this out.
Natin yung mga anak sa okay.
Bye. Bye.
So yung guys, kita nyo naman ang in-depth unboxing ng anak ko, si Chester. Thank you, Chester. Kita nyo naman, sobrang tuntua ako nung ni-edit ko to. Nitong pag-unboxing niya ng KD12 Easy Sniper. Hindi to masyado nag-hype. Marami pang marami pang stock sa suking tindahan to. Kasi feeling ko dahil hindi naglalaro si KD. Well, kanina ginamit ko to. Dami akong ginawang errands kanina. And sa lahat ng KD na nagamit ko, ito ang pinaka comfy at saka pinaka malambot. Nagkaroon na from KD4, nagkaroon ako ng Galaxy sa KD4. Nagkaroon din ako ng itong scoring title. Nagkaroon din ako niyan. Tapos nagkaroon din ako ng Antpearl. Tapos syempre sa KD4 ang sobrang hype yung Weatherman tsaka Nerf. Tapos nagkaroon din ako KD5 na BHM. Nagkaroon din ako nitong N7 yata pagtawag dito. N7. Tapos itong low Elite na KD5, nagkaroon din ako niyan. Then itong KD6 na Illusion, KD6 na Christmas, KD6 na parang watermelon ba to tawag dyan. Tapos syempre yung Wata KD6 nagkaroon din. Tapos itong Weatherman na KD7 green eh. Tapos yan yung kalimutan ko na tawagin. Then syempre Pearl na KD7 kasi yung wings ang ganda tsaka all white yan. Hanggang ngayon ito meron pa ako nito yung Wata KD7. So lahat ng KD na yan, sobrang tigas niyan. Pero as you can see, sobrang ang kulay kasi ng mga colorway, sobrang interesting. Ako as a basketball player, si KD hindi ko siya masyado idol, pero yung mga sapatos niya, sobrang gusto ko. Yun lang sobrang tigas kasi nung KD4 to KD7 na yun. Yung KD7 na nga yung pinaka magaang at saka malambot, pero yung lambot na itong KD12 ang layo compared sa 7 kasi yung KD8 to 11 ayaw ko na masyado yung mga lumabas sa colorway kasi parang flyknit yung ano nun eh. So yun guys, thank you.